Hello YouTube, my name is Technology Helper. Today we're going to be taking apart an Xbox 360. The first thing you're going to need to do is take out the faceplate. I find it helpful to take a small screwdriver, stick it right there, right in the front. Oh wait, other side though. And it comes right off, like so. Okay, next step, we need to remove this and this. Okay, to do that, let me adjust the camera real quick. You will need to have a small screwdriver, small enough to fit through these holes. There's little prongs. Start with the flat side. There's little prongs that you need to push in to get it out. Okay. There's one side. Now this side with the little dip in it, you need a screwdriver and fit it in between one of these holes and push down. And then do the same thing with the prongs as the other side. Okay, now you've taken off that and the faceplate. Okay, the next thing you're going to need to do is take a flathead screwdriver, push it in these little slots right here, those little slots. Till you hear a click. I'll come back whenever I get this. Okay, and you need to take out a second so I can give you an overview of it. You need to take out all the silver ones. There's a lot. So I will pause while I do this, and then I'll unpause. Okay, now once you got all those screws out, just lift up. And here's the inside of your Xbox 360. A hard drive just comes straight out after you take out this. Just pull it out. It's very simple to put back in. Just lift up. Once you've lifted up, remove the power supply and the data cord. Then on the bottom, there's 2 Phillips head screws. Unscrew these. This is if your hard drive is the part that's broken. Oh, never mind, there's 4. I'm sorry, there's 4. Okay, there's the inside of your Xbox. Thanks for watching.